Okay, in this video lesson we're going to go through a quick and easy way to delete blank rows from our data. So in this example we have some data and there's some blank rows randomly placed throughout, and what we want to do is delete those so that we just have our data all together without any blanks. So you could just delete those individually by selecting the row and then right clicking and going to delete. But if you have a lot of these, then it's going to take some time to do that. So an easier way to do that is use the Go To dialog box. So to do that, select all your data and go up to the Home tab, and then in the Editing section of the Home tab, select Find and Select, and then select Go To. Now we can also use a keyboard shortcut for that, so Ctrl G will also bring up this dialog box. And then from here we're going to press the Special button, and this will bring up the Go To Special dialog box. And there's several different options here, but we're going to select blank cells. So this will select all the blank cells in our selected range. Now we press the OK button, and as you can see, this has selected all the blank cells in our range. And now if we right click, we can select delete, and then here we're going to select shift cells up, and that's going to cause all the non-blank rows to shift up one row. So select OK, and as you can see, we're left without any blank rows.